Hi, welcome to the Mass Hire Metro North Career Centers. Your RSAIA counselor may have just sent you some documentation to fill out in the RSAIA process, including the Labor Market Information document. We're going to show you how to fill that out. Let's get started. Okay, we're here at the Labor Market Research Worksheet. First thing you're going to want to do is put your name right here, and then your member ID that was issued to you by the Career Center, and you're going to put that right here, and today's date. Okay? So after you've done that and you scroll down, you're going to see a bunch of websites. Now, these are the websites that you can use to do your labor market research. Today, we're going to use a simple one called ONET, and it's www.onetonline.org. It's right here. So we're just going to check that one. We're going to say that's the one we're using to do the research. And then when we come down here, you want to put in your primary occupation title. In this case, we're going to say, I work at a bank and I'm a loan officer, and that is going to be my occupation title. I'm putting in loan officer, okay? But you want to make sure you put that in there. And then the second question is, what is the salary range? Well, we're going to use ONET to figure that out. So we're going to come up here to ONET. We're going to go to that website, and it brings you to onetonline.org. And then here on the upper right corner, you're going to see occupational quick search, and we're just going to put in loan officer. Going to hit enter, and then the quick search brings up some categories, and we are just going to choose loan officers right here. Okay, now when you get to this page, you're just going to want to choose wages and employment, and that's right here. You can see it nestled right here amongst these different options, and we're going to choose wages and employment. All right, and now as you can see, it gives you some information that you've been looking for. Now it gives you the median wages, which in this case is $30.75 hourly or $63,960 annual. But if you're looking for the range, what we can do is you can just make sure you put in Massachusetts, and that we have your local zip code, and then we hit go. All right. And there we go. In Massachusetts, the range is going to be from $38,470 to $153,340. And the median appears to be $66,060. All right? So what we can do is we can come back to the labor market research form. And it's asking, what is the salary range? So in this case, we can say $38,000 to $153,000. And again, it says if no range, then just list the median wage, which in that case was $66,000. Okay. Now the next question is, are opportunities in this occupation increasing or decreasing? And by what percent? So we're going to go back to ONET to answer that question. Okay, back on this page, what we're going to do is we're going to say here again under wages and employment trends, you're going to come down here and we're going to go to state trends. We want to make sure Massachusetts is listed, and we're going to hit go. Okay, now if you take a look at this information here under Massachusetts, it provides the projected employment between now and 2028, which is 6,080 employees, the projected growth, which is positive 3%, and the projected annual job openings, in this case is 520. So what we can do now, we have this information, we can come back to the form, we can say it's increasing, okay? And if you remember, the growth is 3%. And how many jobs are available annually in that occupation is projected annually going to be 520. And it's as easy as that. So you can answer the rest of these questions on the form. And I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you have any other questions, please reach out to your RSAIA counselor. Thank you very much.